and welcome everyone. So in this video, we are going to draw the image that is visible on your screen. For practice, you can take a screenshot of this and you can start or you can work alongside me so that you can get all the commands. Now, this drawing, we are going to start with this innermost portion, and after that, we are going to proceed for this circle, then this side, and then this one. As left side is the mirror image of right, we are going to use mirror command to insert all of these curves. So without further delay, let's start this video and let's learn something new. So we are going to start from the innermost part of the drawing. So that part basically is created by using a circle and then another circle and then creating a polar array. So I'm going to select circle using diameter. So specify center as 0, 0 and specify diameter as 40 units and press enter. So we need to cut grooves in this circle now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line from its center. So line should start from the origin, then place it till this point and press enter. After that, I'm going to create a smaller circle of radius 6. So center and radius, specify this point as center and radius as 6 units and then press enter. Now we need to remove some portion of this particular circle. So I'm going to use trim command, click on trim and remove this extra portion that is there. Okay. Now after removing this, we need to create a polar array of this one because we need to repeat this particular portion a number of times. So click on polar array and then specify center of circle as the center. Now this number of items, it should be 6, so it's there. If the number of items are more, you can change this number as well. Now click on close array, use trim command again and remove the non-required portion that is there. So this is our innermost part that we wanted to create. After that, the next thing is we need another circle of diameter 66. So specify center of this circle, take center of this circle and specify diameter as 66 units and then press enter. Now this circle we are not going to change anything right now, but we need to move upwards. So select a line, start from the center again and you need to move 65 units vertically upwards. So at the rate 65 for length and less than 90 degree for the angle. So this is the position of the uppermost circle, center of the uppermost circle, and we are going to place circle of diameter 20 and 32 there. So select center and diameter, specify center. For first one, diameter will be 20 and for the second one, specify the same point as center and diameter will be 32 and then press enter. Now we are done with the uppermost circles. Now for these curves, we are going to draw one side first and then we are going to create mirror image. So for that, basically we are going to create complete one side and then it will be better to use mirror command. So select line again. Now basically we need to move vertically downwards using the same line by 26 units and horizontally 47 units. So vertically downwards I'm going to use 26 and in this side I'm going to move for 47 length and then press enter. So this is another center of two circles that we have. After that we are going to repeat the line command and from the same position we are going to move vertically downwards by 24 units and that's another center for another two circles. Now what we have two circles, so we are going to select center radius, specify this point as center. Now specify radius of first circle as 7 units and for second circle we are going to specify radius as 10 units. You can use right click option to repeat or to use the recently used commands, so it becomes a little bit faster. After that we are going to draw the lower circles of diameter 10 and 20. So select center and diameter for circle drawing, specify this point as center and specify diameter as 10 units and press enter. After that, we are going to repeat center diameter, select this one, and this time the diameter should be 20 units, and that's it. So we are basically done with circles of one side. Now we need to draw the curves. So in order to draw this curve, we are going to use tan radius command. So click on tan radius, click on this circle and on this circle and specify radius as 64 units and then press enter. And we are going to trim the non-required portion from here. Okay. After that, press enter. Then the next radius that we need to use in the same tan radius, or this time we can use fillet as well. So click on fillet, specify fillet radius as 20 units, press enter. Then click on this circle and on this circle. So that's the 20 side that we needed. After that, what do we need? We need another fillet between this one and this one of radius 10. So use fillet again, specify radius as 10 units, press enter, select this circle and this circle. So this is our 10 curve. After that, use fillet again, and this time we need to use radius as 20 units. Press 20, press enter, select this one and this one. So we are done with one side totally, and now we need to create the mirror image. So press escape. Now we will trim the non-required portion first, whatever we don't want to repeat. So this is not needed. Whatever lines or commands that we don't need, we are going to remove them so that we don't have to repeat the same process again. Okay, so click on this. After that, we can remove this one as well. If we can remove anything else, okay, that's it. Now we are going to select mirror. Now mirror says that we need to select objects. So the objects that we want to create mirror image of. So basically we need to create mirror image of all of these things, and these lines are not there. So you can keep it as well, or if you want to be precise, press escape again and select mirror again, select this one and select these things only, and then press enter and specify this center line as the mirror line. Do you want to erase the source object? No, we don't. So that's it. Now we are going to use trim to remove all the non-required curves that are there, all the excess lines that are there. Now this was the drawing that was needed. Now this, okay, we have made one mistake. Now this one is not needed and this one is not needed. Press escape, select these lines and use delete to remove these lines. Now using delete becomes a little bit easier than using trim command. So now we are going to place the dimensions for this complete drawing. So click on this dim diameter option, select this circle, press like this one like this, repeat this one, after that repeat inner one, right click and repeat. We need, so for some cases we can use radius as well. So for fillet it's better to use radius. Repeat diameter. For circles we are using diameter option. For all the fillets we can use radius as well. So click on dim radius, this one. Now specify its radius as 10. Right click, repeat this one, 20. Right click, repeat 20. So all of these radiuses you can provide in whatever way you want to. Then we are going to place radius for this one as well. Repeat, place radius for this one as well. Now this radius basically we have placed at a wrong area because we don't want our drawings to interfere with the actual object. Okay, so what we can do is we can select this one, this option, and we can either place it on this side or on this side so that it's not creating any confusion. Now right click and repeat, specify this radius as well. Then we need another radius which is at this location. So I hope all the dimensions are done now. Now as usual we are going to place a hatch to make it look a little bit appealing. Click on gradient, change the colors, click in this area, and this is it. Now we can click on close hatch creation, and that's the drawing that we wanted to create. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much and have a nice day. I hope you guys have learned something new.